Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best underwater gadgets for travel and ocean adventures in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Solar-powered inflatable light. Solar technology is seriously upping its game at the moment. Perfect for camping, backpacking or saving electricity, this light is super compact and will fold down into a neat little square. Rechargeable with the solar panel on the front, leave it out in the sun all day and by the evening you'll have a great little light. There's also a clip to attach it to your backpack, so you can charge it while you're out exploring. Emitting 65 lumens of power via 10 warm white LEDs, and shining through a clear finish, this light provides up to 24 hours of light on a single charge, so you can keep your day going long into the night. Lucy's built-in high-efficiency solar panel means that no batteries are needed ever. Recharge fully via solar in 7 hours. Lucy Original will always be ready for any adventure. With its compact size, this little light can travel with you on any adventure. Plus, with an adjustable base strap and fixed top strap, it can be easily attached to your backpack or hung from above. Number 9. All-in-one travel adapter. I find having multiple plugs for traveling incredibly irritating. Also, I'm the kind of person who will end up bringing a USA adapter to France. I may have done this once. Don't judge me. This adapter will work all over the world and literally mean you only need to buy one ever again. Just remember to bring it with you. 110V/650W, 220V/1300W. Power output 100-240V 50-60Hz 6A Only applied to the use of small power electric appliances when traveling, such as mobile phone, digital products, computer with low power of small household appliances. The travel adapter does not work with high power appliances such as hair straightener, flat iron, hair curler, hair dryer, steam iron, hot water heater, coffee maker, etc. Number 8. Gotenna Mesh. This tiny but pretty cool device lets you communicate via your smartphone even when you have no signal or Wi-Fi. It kind of works like a radio. Your phone connects with Gotenna, which connects with another Gotenna, which then connects with that user's phone. It's all encrypted and secure and absolutely one of the best travel gadgets for hiking and backpacking. You don't need phone service, routers, towers or satellites to use Gotenna. Power your own network, whenever and wherever you need it. Secure encryption, no central data store, so your private chats are end-to-end encrypted. Our super smart mesh protocol powers private one-to-one, group chats or public emergency broadcasts to all nearby users. Plus, the free Gotenna app includes detailed offline maps for any region in the world. Number 7. TileMate. A little like Find My iPhone, but for your personable valuables, this is an essential travel gadget for anyone who tends to forget where they leave things. Just attach it to your valuables like keys or jewelry and you can track them via your smartphone. You'll never have that "I don't know where I left it" moment again. Directly attach Mate to your everyday things like keys, backpacks and other stuff you need to keep track of regularly. You'll gain peace of mind knowing you can open the free Tile app and tap Find to locate your stuff. Tile requires installation of the Tile app on iOS or Android, registration for a Tile account and acceptance of Tile's privacy policy and terms of service, available at Tile. Payment required to access additional premium services. Number 6. Yamaha Sea Scooter. The Yamaha Lee Series Sea Scooter is an awesome tool that helps you move underwater, and it comes in 3 variants, which differ in maximum speed and battery capacity. The battery that powers the C-Scooter can be easily removed for external charging or replacement. Battery life is not a concern with this scooter, as the battery will last you between 60 and 90 minutes of normal use or between 30 and 40 minutes with non-stop use. There is also a handy battery indicator that will let you know how much power is still in there, and you don't have to worry about suddenly running out at a bad time. The maximum speed it can achieve is 4.35 miles per hour for the 500 Li variant. There isn't any reason to worry about the C-Scooter rising or sinking on its own, because it achieves a neutral buoyancy as soon as it goes underwater thanks to a clever system of drain holes. Number 5. Nosubo Fingerless LED Flashlight Gloves. The deeper you go, the darker it gets, and flashlights aren't always the best solution to provide the illumination you need. Especially if you want to grab or examine something, it can be a pain to find the optimal angle at which your hand won't obscure the light. These waterproof gloves by Nosubo solve that problem by bringing the light straight to your hands. They're made from a durable, elastic, and lightweight material that works well in water, and each glove has 230 lumen LED lights that go over your index finger and thumb. These two fingers are most often used for grabbing things, so this arrangement of LEDs ensures that you can always see what you're grabbing. The lights are powered by 2-button batteries, and they are easily operated with a switch on each glove. There is only one size, but the gloves are made with average European/US hand sizes in mind. Number 4. FinFun Mermaid Monofin. Monofins are a great way to spice up your swimming experience and a great way for kids to pretend that they are dolphins or mermaids. This monofin is made from strong yet flexible materials, which ensures that it will bend in a fairly natural way without ever breaking as a result of normal use. It is covered with surf-grade neoprene, which is double-layered at the tips to add some extra durability. You're right to wonder if having a big fin attached to your feet will weigh you down in the water. While this may be an issue with some lower quality fins, this one is made from a material that is buoyancy neutral, so it will not weigh you down or lift you up in the water. Number 3. Divelux Snorkel Mask. Snorkeling is a fun and exciting activity for both children and adults alike. Unfortunately, many snorkeling masks have the same drawbacks that can ruin the experience for many beginners and even experienced snorkelers. Water getting into the mask, water getting into the breathing tube, and the mask fogging up are a few of the most common issues that can lead to anything from minor inconveniences to flat-out dangerous situations. The full-face snorkel mask from Divelux solves the issues plaguing many other masks to give you the most hassle-free snorkeling experience. The edges of the mask are lined with liquid silicone, which prevents water from getting in without having to rely on any suction like the average snorkeling mask. Number 2. Kaisia Fifish V6 Underwater Drone. Nowadays, drones have become a fairly standard and accessible way of taking videos from the air. When it comes to water, humans can only dive so far. Going any deeper than the limits of our bodies would require a submarine, which isn't exactly the most affordable piece of equipment. The Kaisia Fifish V6 underwater drone will let you experience the depths of the ocean in a way that will make you feel as if you're looking at things with your own eyes. The drone is equipped with a camera capable of recording 4K videos in low-light environments, and it has 6 propellers arranged in a way that will make steering the drone in any direction a breeze. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Waterproof Action Camera. What better place to start than one of the world's most popular all-action camcorders, renowned for taking breathtaking footage no matter how rugged, wild, or wet the terrain or environment may be. Hero 11 Black can shoot cinematic 5.3K 60 and 2.7K 240 video, and photograph sumptuous high-resolution photos with its 27-megapixel camera. Plus, footage has never had such clarity courtesy of its hypersmooth 5.0 video stabilization lock. For underwater footage, the camera is built to be waterproof inside in the case for up to depths of 33 feet, making it the perfect companion for capturing your swimming, snorkeling, and diving adventures in some of the world's most beautiful waters. Expansive field of view ever on a Hero camera out of the box. This gives you an extra large canvas for your creativity by capturing more of the sky and horizon in every shot.